Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the HoneyMoney app, a tool that's either your wallet's best friend or its stickiest foe. Spoiler alert, you might be in for a sweet surprise. Before we get started, don't forget to click the link below for an exclusive discount on HoneyMoney. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, what exactly is HoneyMoney? In a nutshell, it's an app designed to help you save money, track expenses, and basically make sure your financial life doesn't become a tangled web of receipts and regret. Sounds cool, right? First up, the user interface. It's like walking into a candy store. Bright, colorful, and everything is just a tap away. But does it function as sweetly as it looks? Well, mostly. Setting up your account is smoother than a jar of honey, and linking your bank accounts? Piece of cake. Now let's talk features. HoneyMoney's budgeting tool is like having a financial advisor in your pocket, minus the hefty fees and awkward small talk. You can set budgets, track spending, and even get alerts when you're about to overshoot. Think of it as a gentle yet firm nudge, like your grandmother reminding you to eat your veggies. But here comes the sticky part. The app does have a few quirks. Sometimes it's a bit too eager with notifications. I mean, I get it, HoneyMoney. I spent $5 on coffee 3 days in a row. No need to sting me with reminders. Also, while the app syncs with most major banks, there are a few outliers it doesn't quite mesh with. It's like trying to mix oil and water. Messy and a bit frustrating. On the flip side, the savings feature is pure gold. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and stashes the spare change into a savings account. It's like having a tiny financial fairy working in the background. You'll be amazed at how quickly those pennies add up. In conclusion, HoneyMoney is a sweet deal for anyone looking to get a grip on their finances without turning into a budgeting bore. Just be prepared for a few sticky spots along the way. So, is it sweet savings or a sticky mess? I'd say it's mostly sweet, with a few drips of stickiness. And hey, if you want to give HoneyMoney a whirl, click the link below to get your special offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next video.